Hi guys, welcome back. Welcome back with the second puzzle. The second puzzle in this additional of today's newspaper on Wednesday. It's still Wednesday, April the 26th, 2023. Let me remind you, tomorrow it's King's Day. April the 27th, we don't receive any newspaper. I will do the rest of the puzzles of this additional. So the rest of the puzzles are the letter Sudokus, the 2 stars, and the tectonic with the 1 star. But let me continue with this puzzle. Yeah, because I've already solved one puzzle, the 3 stars Sudoku. 2 puzzles are left, the binary, the tectonic, and it's time for the 4 stars Sudoku number 6341. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has one less than the previous Sudoku, 24 printed digits. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult. But you cannot always say that. Because sometimes you have in puzzle a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers, then you will need more time to solve that puzzle. But for 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more to solve. 30 minutes or more. Is this really 4 stars? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have only one. We have here 1, 2, 3 twos. We have here 2 threes, 3 fours, 3 fives, 4 sixes. All right. 2 sevens, 3 eights, and 3 nines. So the sixes are in majority. Can I start with a 6? That's my question. No, I cannot start with a 6. 6 6 6 6 6. No, 6 6 6. No. 4 4. Okay. 4 4. Let me scan. 8 8 8 8. 7 7. I'm scanning. 2 2. Yeah. 5 5 5 in this row. 5 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. You see a 5 in the third column. No 5 there. 5 should be there. Alright. This is a 5. 5 5 5. Okay. 3 3 3. Okay. 2 2. 4 4. No 9 here. No 9 there. 1 2 3 4 5 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in this column, so no 9 in these 3 boxes here. 9 in the middle. No 9 in those 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 9 in this big square. Should be there. 9 9. 4 in this row. 4 in the middle row. So the row below, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 8 8 8 8 8 8. Yeah. Think. Four missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have an 8 in this column, so no 8 in these 2 boxes. So the 8 in this big square could be here, could be there. 8 in this row, 8 in one of those 2 boxes in the middle row. So the row above, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here. Or there, we see an 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 3 3 7 7 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 in these two boxes. Here's 7 in this column, no 7 in those two boxes. So 1 box left for the 7 in this big square. Should be there. 7. 3. I'm thinking. 2, 2, 2. 2, 2, 2, 2. Need a 9 here. 9, 9. Oh, no. 9 in this row. 9 in the middle row. So the row above the only place left for the 9. Shoot there. 9, 9. 9, 9. Yeah. 9, 9. 9. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number in this big square is number 3. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 in these two boxes. 1 box left for the 3, should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row, so the row above the only place left for the 3, should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square for number 1. He's missing and a 2 is missing. 1 and a 2, 1 and a 2. So 1 digit left in this row for number 1 and 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. 2 numbers left in this row for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 1 and a 7, 1 and a 7. So 1 digit left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. These are 3 missing numbers. 1 is missing. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. So the 1 could be here, could be there. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. 6 could be everywhere. Okay. 1, 6. Alright. 2, 2, 6, 6, 6. 8, 8. 4, 4. Need a 1 here. Yeah. 3 missing numbers in this column. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2 is missing, the 3 and the 4 is missing. 1, 2, 4. 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 4. And look, with 1 and 4 in this row. So no 1 and 4 in this box. 1 and 4 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 1 and 4, 1 and 4. So 1 is left in this column for number 2. 2 in this row, 2 in the row below. So last row, only 3 places left for the 2 should be here, or there. We see here 2 in the third column, no 2 there. Here 2 in the first column, no 2 there. So the only place left for 2 should be there. Alright, 8 in this row, 8 in the row below. So last row, only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8. Okay. 2, 2. 5, 5. 1, 3, and 5. 1, 3, and 5. Okay. I'm thinking. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, come on. This is taking too long. 8, 2. Yeah. 3 here. 1, 2, 8. Need a 1 here. 6, 7, and 9. No, 1, 6, 7, and 6, 7, and 5. 6, 7, and 5. No 6 here. 6 over here. 6 and 1, 7 and 6, 1. 3 missing numbers. No, 1, 2, 3, 4. Those 4 missing numbers in this column are the numbers. 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, the 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 1, 5, 6, 7. 1, 5, 6, 7. 1, 5, 6, 7. 1, 5, 6, 7. 1, 5, 6, 7. And look, we have a 1 in this big square, so no 1 there. We have a 6 and a 7 in this row, last row, so no 6 and a 7 in this box. So 1 digit left should be the 5. Okay. All right. 5, 5. 5, 5. Need a 5 there. 5, yes. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We have a 5 in the last row. No 5 there. So the 5 could be here, could be there. 5 in this last row. 5 in one of those 2 boxes in the row above. So that row, the only 3 places left for the 5 should be here, here, or there. We see a 5 in the first column. No 5 there. Here, 5 in the second column. No 5 there. Only place left for the 5 should be there. 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4. 6 in the third column, 6 in the second column. So the first column, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 6 in the last row, 6 in the row above. So that row, the only place left for the 6 should be there. So this box can be 6 and more. 6 and 1, 6 and 8, 8 and 1. Okay. 6, 6. 6, 5, 4. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers in this big square is number 4. We have 4 in this column. Third column. No 4 in these 3 boxes here. 4 in this row. No 4 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 4 in this big square. It should be there. 4, 4. Okay. 4, 4. 4 missing numbers now in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers in this big square are numbers 1 and a 9. We have a 1 and a 9 in this row, so no 1 and 9 in these 2 boxes. 1 and 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and a 9, 1 and a 9. So the other pair in this big square are the numbers the 1. The 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 7 and a 3, 7 and a 3. We have a 3 in the second column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 1 and a 7, we have a 7 in the second column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and 1 goes there. 1 box left now in the third column for the numbers. For the number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 2 missing numbers now in the first column. For numbers, the 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, and the 4 is missing. 1 and a 4, 1 and a 4. Here we have a pair then. 1 and a 4. The other pair in this big square numbers the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7, 8 and a 9. 8 and a 9. We have a 9 in the second row. No 9 there. 9 should be here. And 8 goes there. 9 in the third row. 9 in the second row. So the first row, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in this column. No 9 there. 9 should be there. Yeah. Cannot continue with the 9 now. Now. 2. 6, 4. How about the numbers? 7 in this row, 7 in that row, so the row between. The only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in this column, no 7 there, 7 should be there. 7 in the last column, 7 in the column next. On that column, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in the first row, no 7 there, 7 should be there. 7 in the third row, 7 in the first row, so the row between. The only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in the middle column. No 7 there, 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 7. Alright. 2, 2. 5, 5. Okay. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 2 and the 5. We have 2 and the 5 in the third row, so no 2 and the 5 in these 2 boxes. The 2 and the 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and the 5, 2 and the 5. So what are the other 2 numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have an 8 in the middle column. No 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Then, yeah, 1 and a 5. Let me think. Here we have a pair. So these should be 2, 5, and need a number here. 6, 6. Yeah, 6 in the first row, 6 in the second row. So the third row, only 2 places left for the 6 should be here on there. We see a 6 in the last column, no 6 there. 6 should be there. I've marked this box with 6 or an 8. We have a 6 now in this column, so no 6 there. So 1 digit left should be the 8. So the 1 and the 6 are left in this big square. 1 and the 6. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here. And the 1 goes there. Alright. 8 in the first, 8 in this column, 8 in the column next. So the last column, only 3 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in the third row, no 8 there. And 8 in the second row, no 8 there. So the only place left for the 8 should be there. 1 in the first column, last column, 1 in the column next. So that column, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 and the 4, we have a 1 now in the first row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, the 4 goes there. 1 and the 4, we have a 1 in the second row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, the 4 goes there. 1 box left in the third row for number. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. 4 in the last column, 4 in that column, so the column between, only 2 places left for the 4 should be here. Or there, we see a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 3 and the 9, 3 and the 9. We have a 9 in the last column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 1 box left in the last column for the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4. 5 is missing here. Alright. 2 to 5, we have a 5 now in the second row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, the 2 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for the 1. The 2 is missing and the 3 is missing. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. We have a 2 in the second row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, the 3 goes there. 1 and the 2, we have a 2 now in the middle column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, the 1 goes there. 1 box left in this column, I believe the number 5. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, yeah, the 5 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have a 3 in the last row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 1 goes there. Final 2 numbers. 1 and a 9. We have a 1 in the last row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Finish in 18 minutes. Quicker than the previous Sudoku here. Wow. I believe this one was 90 minutes. This one 18 minutes. 4 stars, no. 3 stars, no. Let me give this again a 2 stars. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also for yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you in a minute with the other 2 puzzles. The binary and the 4 stars tectonic. Until then, bye-bye for now.